How to reset Blueair filter light. So after replacing the filter, you're gonna have to press and hold the fan speed button for about 15 seconds until all the interface LEDs light up. Then release it. The red filter indicator should turn off. So it's said by the official support, this is the reset method for the Blue Pure Max models, but it should be pretty similar for the other ones. So if you want the more specific step by step, then first you're gonna have to turn the Blueair purifier off and then replace the old filter with a new one. After that, just turn the purifier back on. Now just hold the fan speed button for around 15 seconds, and once you've done that duration, release when the lights flash or all LEDs light up. Now if the red light is on the front air quality LED, that may mean poor air quality and it's not a filter warning. So if that happens, then just clean the sensor inlets at the back if that red air quality light stays on. So that's pretty much how you do this. Hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.